Tes, tes, tes. Mic tes. Halo, halo. Mr. Fahmi, can you hear me? Halo, cek.
Halo, ada suaranya Prof enggak?
Halo, halo. Suaranya jauh. Halo. Can you hear me, Mr. Fahmi? Can you hear me, Prof?
Ya. Dengar suaranya Prof Lin enggak?
Coba lagi.
Hello.
Yes, okay, thank you.
It's okay?
Yes.
Dengar enggak? Dengar suaranya Prof Lin?
Suaranya Pak Fahmi jelas banget. Suaranya Prof Lin jauh. Tapi nggak apa-apa, bisa didengar kok.
Saya nggak bisa saya nggak bisa ini nih. Didekatkan pakai yang ini pakai saya tuh.
Yes, I found it. You have changed to move to this one? I already moved. I think I moved two or twice. Twice? I don't know. I just did it.
Maybe sama headset.
This one?
Is it okay if, without
The file?
earphone? Maybe.
The file? Yes, the down.
Yeah.
The down.
Okay.
Okay.
Pakai dulu. Only this one, right? Yes.
Kalau aplikasinya
Can you hear me?
Yes, Prof.
Yeah, I hear you, bro. Kelly hear you.
Oh, okay, good.
Thank you.
But how come I can't hear her voice?
She found it, but I don't know how many is it.
It's okay. The voice is okay.
1,000. 1,000.
One is 100. In the pocket, maybe.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, I hear you. Okay, so before we begin our today's class, I have prepared some copies for you because it's a very long time we need to spend in this class. So maybe you can get the copy right now, all right? Yeah, and I also prepared one for Kelly, so maybe Fanny can help me take back to her. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor.
Yeah, very nice.
I don't know if you want to do center or you taking an actual by yourself.
Thank you, Professor. It's a very beautiful.
So we have sugar.
Okay. So far, how many of you finished your screening? Let me ask first, title and abstract screening. Title and abstract screening. Okay, good. How about the rest of you? Not yet, and which stage are you at? Abstract and test. Okay, screening right now, okay.
We change our intuition, so I searching again.
Oh, okay. Searching
Again
again?
from the website, yes.
Okay, so you
But
change
I can
your.
do it. I can
Okay.
finish the same time.
Okay, good. And how about Fanny?
Actually, I finished all of the title and abstract, but did not
None of
convert
them?
to move to Excel spreadsheet. So
Oh,
I
okay.
put it instead in looking for the full papers.
Uh-huh.
But I start I'm 100 title and abstract.
Okay,
In,
100 in Excel.
Excel, yes.
Okay, I see. Okay, so I think you are going to continue the screening today, right? All right. And topic?
Yeah, I'm starting from scratch. So actually, I'm still trying to make the database works and later on the types.
Okay, so you
I'm
are
still far behind.
you are still searching from the databases, right? Okay, I see. Okay, why I'm asking this? Because today we move on to extraction. Okay, today we move on to extraction. And of course, this is related to your included studies after your full text screening. Okay. So, right, so far we finish all these steps and move on to data extraction. All right, move on to this step. So at this time, you should finish your full text screening at this time, right? Okay, so for those, and who finished their full text screening? I haven't asked this question. No one? Okay.
I was going to, but we changed information and started again.
All right. Oh, I forgot to ask. How about Kelly? Hello, Kelly. How about you? Hello? Hmm? Hmm?
Hello, Kelly.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I have need help. Need my help.
Okay, okay. I'm just wondering, so far, at which stage you are in?
Yes. I have collect my article,
Mm-hmm.
but I not yet do the screening.
Oh, not yet. Okay.
Yes.
So far, how many articles you found from the databases?
About 100. Only
100?
100. Yes.
Okay,
But
so
this is about transcultural nursing, so maybe I'm not correct to search the literature, so
okay.
I'm not find more.
Okay, 100 is fine, but did you, the 100 is after you remove the duplicate, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now did you extract the 100 article into your Excel
Um,
worksheet?
yeah, I'll try.
Okay, all right. But since you only have 100, I think you won't spend a lot of time reading these articles. Okay? All right. Okay, so I think today we are going to have only a very short lecture, and for the rest of your time, continue your screening. Yes. And data extraction, if you can move on to that step, of course. All right? Okay, so let's see what is data extraction. Okay. So it says that once the final list of articles for inclusion is determined, it is time to extract any relevant data. Okay. So this requires careful planning to ensure it is managed appropriately. Some considerations might include only extract data you need to answer your research question. Okay, and use a consistent approach to summarize the data and apply these in each study. Okay, and make clear any abbreviation. For example, in some papers, they use some instrument to measure the exposure or to measure the outcome. they are interested in. But sometimes the instrument they use in abbreviation. So in your extraction table, you need to mention it in full name first. Okay, and then you can write the abbreviation. And later, if other articles also mention that instrument, you can use the abbreviation. All right? Okay, and carefully convert all data to the same unit. For example, some articles, they use standard deviation, and some articles, they use standard error. So you need to convert the data into the same unit. Okay? All right? Okay. And name column in a way that is meaningful to others, of course. That means it should be understandable. Okay? And keep content brief. Okay, brief. Not all results you put in that table, not all. Only the result that can answer your research question. That's the meaningful data you want. Okay. For example, here. Okay. Okay, here's an example I showed you last week about title and abstract, right? I create a worksheet for title and abstract screening. And then I create another worksheet for full text screening. And then I create another worksheet for data extraction. Okay, so here are the articles I'm going to include it for my analysis. Okay, for my analysis. That means these are the full text, the articles that can answer my research question and also fulfill the inclusion criteria. Okay. So at the end, after full text screening, for example here, I have like 67 or 66 articles I need to read for full text screening. And after that, only okay, like only 16 articles included for my systematic review. Okay, for my systematic review. Okay, and here the data I want to extract. For example, here I give it the number. I should keep it. The number is where I give it at the beginning.
From the title.
Yes,
the
it's the same number.
An abstract. Not from the beginning, the number of the database at hundreds.
No. Okay, it's from here. Okay, from here I have a number. I give it a number for each articles, right? Starting from 1. Okay, then I also copy that number, and then you should have author and year. All right, you should have the author and year. This column, and country and study design. Okay, and sample size, and gender or sex. Okay, and then age. And also because my paper is talking about the female workers, so I want to know the employment. Okay. All right, and lots type. Okay. This is my exposure, so that's why I want to know lots. Okay. Lower urinary tract symptom. Okay. And there are a lot. Okay, there are a lot. For example, urine leakage, OAB, etc. Okay. Because maybe in this paper they only discuss about SUI, not all lots type, only one of the type. Okay, so I need to mention it. And my outcome measure. Okay, my outcome measure is used, like, for example, here, direct cost of treatment. And for this paper, they talk about this patient perception of bladder condition, etc. And etc. Anxiety and depression, a lot of outcome measurement. Okay. And here is the time of outcome assessment. And the final is my finding. And we need to make sure that this finding will talk about those with lots and those without lots. How about their work productivity? That's why I want to look at the association between lots and work productivity. So you need to make sure that you know what's your exposure and what's your outcome. So you need to think about what kind of data you have to extract from each articles for your finding column.
This is the one article, right? The first is one article, second is another article.
Yes, 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 yes.
So each article is...
Each article for each row. Okay, okay, for each row. So here you have the author, and here country, and so you need to think about what kind of data you want to extract from each article. Okay, and create a column for them. Okay. You don't have to be like mine. This is just an example. Okay. All right. That's it. You can start your data extraction right now. Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
In your case, there are some tables like columns.
Yes, columns.
Do all papers will meet? I mean, do all papers meet that column?
Oh, yes.
Some of them are missing, and some of them are not. Some
Yes.
of them are complete. Or how we?
It depends on. Oh, sorry. It depends on each author's intention. What that means, maybe some.
If there's not available, that should be right.
Okay, if it's not available here, for example, here.
NR.
NR.
NR means
No. Not relevant.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, for example, for this one, they don't have the information about employment, but you still have this column, right? So you can put NR. Okay. So I think before you move on to this stage, please finish your action and title screen and then your full text, okay?
Mail for you.
Oh yes, thank you. Okay.
You take first, and I will go to others.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I bought from canteen.
Oh, okay, thank you. I just take one.
Ah, this is broken.
This is fine. Oh, I have two here.
Ah,
Okay, thank you.
think that we should take the old.
Okay, I'll take the rest of it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Mm.